Do you want to learn how to sew this cool neck halter top? Hi, I'm Kirava, but you can call me Kai. In today's video, we're focusing only on the sewing process. If you want to learn how to make the pattern, check my previous video where I show you step by step. And if you don't want to make the pattern for scratch, you can get in on my website. It's ready for you print and sew. Okay, so let's go to the sewing machine and start making this top. Okay, let's start the sewing and the pills. Now this is front and this is back. Back the pills, front pills. Back pills, front pills. Okay, perfect. Now start sewing pills in this and this. Now on back of the fabric and fold the fabric 0.5 millimeters and 0.5 millimeters. This is the stitch you're sewing in line stretch. Okay, perfect. I use the thread or another color for you see the stitches. Okay. Thus it's some 0.5 is you fold them the fabric and stretch here and so perfect. Now start the back piece and opening the piece, and right here the sewing back piece. Perfect. Moment, I see something. Yes, perfect. Sew and sew right here. Sew this. Moment. The front I need the sewing this part. Fold the fabric 0.5 is 1 centimeter is in along, you know, and sew this part. Perfect. And the front of the fabric I sewing back piece in right here. Okay. And now this part. Perfect. Perfect. Fold the fabric. Fold the fabric. It's time the press with your iron this part. Okay?
A few moments later.
Now you see? Perfect. Now I fold the fabric. Remember the back and the front. Back fabric or right fabric and right fabric. Right fabric of the back and right fabric of the front is you fold, you know? You fold. And now I sewing in this line, in this core. I'm sewing the pills now. And this. Okay? And this is the same exercise. You sewing the pills. Perfect. Now I cut. It's a little cut, you know? It's a little. Now this is the core and it's perfect. Cut for the core and this. Perfect. And that's it. I need satins for help me the this part. You see? I know. Oh my God. This part is at the bottom. Now, you see? And the other side. Okay. Perfect. And now, yes. Okay, is the result? You see? Oh, I love it. I love it. This is result. Ah, you see? Perfect. So, what do you think? Was it hard? I don't think so. Maybe the hardest part was my English because it's not my first language, but I really love sharing this with you. If you want to keep learning with me, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification. And if you made this stop, please tag me or share it with me on Instagram, TikTok. I love seeing your design and how today turn up. Thank you for support me. Thank you for being here, and thank you being part of the community. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, darling.